If you have kidney problems, it's crucial to pay close attention to your diet to protect your kidney function and overall health. Certain foods can be particularly harmful to individuals with kidney issues, as they can exacerbate kidney damage and lead to further complications. In this video, we will discuss the top 8 foods that you should avoid if you have kidney problems. 1. High sodium foods. Excessive sodium intake can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Avoid processed and canned foods, as they often contain high levels of sodium. Also, limit your use of table salt and choose low-sodium alternatives. 2. Red meat. Red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, contains high levels of protein and can produce a lot of waste products when metabolized. These waste products can put additional stress on your kidneys. Consider substituting red meat with lean protein sources like chicken or fish. 3. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in phosphorus and calcium. When kidney function declines, it can be challenging for your body to balance these minerals, leading to bone and heart problems. Opt for low phosphorus alternatives or consult with a dietitian for suitable dairy substitutes. 4. Processed foods. Processed foods are often loaded with additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These can contribute to inflammation and cardiovascular issues, which can be problematic for those with kidney problems. Choose whole, fresh foods whenever possible. 5. Caffeine. Caffeine is found in coffee, tea, and certain soft drinks. It can increase blood pressure and may cause dehydration. Kidney patients should be mindful of their caffeine intake to avoid these potential complications. 6. Sugary foods and drinks. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of diabetes and heart disease, which are conditions that can worsen kidney problems. Avoid sugary snacks, sugary drinks, and excessive desserts. 7. High potassium foods. As kidney function declines, the body may struggle to regulate potassium levels. High levels of potassium can be harmful to the heart and muscles. Foods high in potassium include bananas, oranges, potatoes, and tomatoes. It's essential to monitor your potassium intake and consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian for guidance. 8. Alcohol. Alcohol can be particularly taxing on the kidneys. It can lead to dehydration, high blood pressure, and liver problems, all of which can worsen kidney function. If you have kidney problems, it's best to limit or eliminate alcohol from your diet. In addition to avoiding these foods, individuals with kidney problems should focus on maintaining a balanced and kidney-friendly diet. This typically includes foods that are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. It's also important to stay well hydrated by drinking enough water and following any dietary recommendations provided by your healthcare team. Remember that everyone's dietary needs may vary based on the severity of their kidney problems and individual health factors. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who specializes in kidney health to create a personalized dietary plan that suits your specific needs and helps manage your kidney problems effectively. By making informed food choices and following a kidney-friendly diet, you can better protect your kidney function and overall well-being.